Hello, my name is Nicole Walter and I'm the International Business Development Leader here at CSI. Today we're just going to take a brief minute to talk about 3 different style hex hangers that we stock in the warehouse. First, we're going to start with the grommet style. So the grommet style comes in 2 different materials, alcrin and Viton. And then we have your kind of more standard hex hanger. So this one's going to come with a polypropylene insert, and there's also a high temp available. And then lastly, we have the Syntiro hex hanger, and it is going to be a silicone lining. The grommet style hanger is available in 2 materials, alcrin that goes up to 257 degrees Fahrenheit and Viton that goes up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. The polypropylene hex hanger has a melting temperature of 329 degrees Fahrenheit, and it also comes in a high temp that has a softening point of 374 degrees Fahrenheit. The Syntiro hanger is made of silicone and can handle temperatures up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. There are no exposed threads, it's drainable and cleanable. It seals to the hardware frame and has no large crevices or sharp edges. If you have any questions about these hangers or any others that we stock at CSI, feel free to give us a call, 417-831-1411, or visit our website, csidesigns.com.